This is 3H, a 4-pack broom holder. Put anything that you have, like a mop, a broom, a shovel, anything that has a handle, and you have hooks as well. Let's open this up, show you what you get inside the box. It's a 4-pack, so you have small units that you hang up all over the place, made of metal and rubber that you put your holders here, whatever you want to hang. It has a backing that you could put the self-adhesives on. Already on the small plate that has a single holder and hook. And the hardware to put on with mollies, screws, and caps. So you have an option to hang adhesive or permanent mount. For our demonstration purposes, we're going to hang up one item, peeling the tab that has the self-adhesive, sticking it on the wall, this is a heavy bar to show you the weight of the unit when putting on, that it will hold nice and strong. We have another heavy bar, show you how much weight this can hold. Place your tools, your brooms, your flashlight, anything you want to hang on the wall. Your ice pick by pushing in. It takes a little force to get in, as you can see, and it will hold nice and strong. The 3H utility holders for brooms, mops, and more for your needs around a bathroom, a laundry room, a kitchen, anywhere that you need to hang up your stuff. I hope this product is something that you are looking for your needs. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.